In this video, I'm going to show you how you can't install Fiverr freelance service app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install Fiverr app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store, and then go ahead and first make sure you are logged in before you search for your app. So if you couldn't even when you're logged in, then go ahead and go to this account here and scroll down to settings. And under settings, look for network preference. Under network preference, go ahead and choose download preference. And here, make sure you choose the first option over any network. If you choose this will ensure that you are able to download any app using the current network you are connected to. To save this, tap on OK, and then go ahead and download your app. However, if you're still unable to download your app even after doing this, then the problem might be with Play Store itself. For this, go ahead and look for Play Store app and long press on it to access the app info page. As you can see, I have info option here. For your case, you might see a settings gear. If you are missing this or the name of the app, go ahead and tap on it to access Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to go ahead and clear the Google Play Store data, and more especially cache data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data, and one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because of accumulation of this cache data. To clear cache data, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and choose clear cache, and finally OK. And at this point, restart your smartphone and go ahead, open your Google Play Store, and now everything should be okay. So if I go ahead and search for Fiverr app, I'll tap on search button here and then tap on the app. Now I'll go ahead and try installing it to see if this works. And you can see now I'm able to download and install Fiverr app on my Android smartphone. So that's how you can't install Fiverr app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.